Hindi kami saling-pusa dito. We can make this easy for you and we can make it also difficult for you.
Mr. President, if I may, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President.
Magandang hapon mga kabisdak. Pag-usapan po natin itong bardagulan sa Senado. Pero bago ang lahat, palike po muna, pa-share at pa-subscribe. At pakipindot po ang inyong notification bell upang lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga video. Pinaiyak po ni Senator Villanueva itong si Tito Soto dahil sa agawan sa pwesto sa Commission on Appointee. Pumalag po ang naturang veterano na dyan sa Senado, walang nagawa na si Tito Soto dahil wala silang numero sa Commission on Appointee. At ang sabi niya, hindi kami mga saling pusa dito. Ilan lang kasi sila dyan, minority, di ba? Mga saling pusa talaga turing sa kanila dyan. Ito, pakinggan po natin itong kanilang bardagulan. Umpisahan natin mga kabisdak.
Mr. President,
Ayan na.
with the permission of the body, Mr. President, I move to elect the following as members of the Commission on Appointments. On the part of the majority, Senators Alan Cayetano, De La Rosa, Ejercito Estrada, Bongo, Marcoleta, Marcos, Tulfo, Villanueva, and Villar. So move, Mr. President.
Ayan na.
What is the pleasure of the distinguished minority floor leader?
May you know how many members of the majority that the majority leader is electing into the Commission on Appointments?
The majority leader will please respond.
Mr. President, we are electing 10 members of the majority
10.
in the Commission on Appointments, Mr. President.
10 wala sa kanila.
May I know why the computation is the majority members of the so-called majority are getting
Pumalag.
10 members into the Commission on Appointments?
Yes,
The
Mr.
majority
President.
leader may reply.
Mr. President, the computation is based on an 80-20 representation from the majority and the minority. 80% of 12 members would be equal to 9.6 members, which may be rounded out to 10 members. 20% of 12 members would equal to 2.4 members, which is rounded out to 2. If you look at the composition, Mr. President, right now of the Senate, we have 19 members in the majority. Over 24 is 0.79, Mr. President. 5 members of the minority. Over 24 is 0.20. And if you multiply, Mr. President, 0.79 times 12 is 9.6. 0.20 times 12 is 2.4 members, Mr. President.
May I know the basis of the percentages being mentioned by the majority leader, Mr. President? Because the last word I know is that the Supreme Court has decided that if there's controversy in the composition of the Commission on Appointments, it is very clear that the Senate must follow the party lines and the party representation. So if this
Political party daw ang
elects to
pagbasihan.
follow the Supreme Court decision on the articles of impeachment, why can't they follow the decision of the Supreme Court when it comes to the computation of membership in the Commission on Appointments? So therefore, there is no such thing as 9.6, 9.5, 9.5, 2.5, 2.4. It should be members of the NPC, 6. 3 of them should be in the CA. Members of the NP, the Nationalista Party, is 2.5 or 5 of them.
May sarili siyang
2.5
scheme.
should be in the Commission on Appointments. And then the rest are single members of each party, and therefore they could talk to the other members so that their 0.5 can be a total of 1%, 1 for each representation. There are easily 11.
Nagbibilang
The PDP has 3 members.
Oh,
PDP Laban has 3 members. Senator Bongo, and Senator De La Rosa, and Senator Robin Padilla. So their representation in the CA should be 1.5. Right now, I'm already
1.5.
hearing Senator Bongo and Senator De La Rosa as members of the CA.
1.5 daw ang magiging miyembro sa sa PDP. So isa't kalahati. Yung isa tikba lang. Yun nga.
What about the other members? What about their political parties? I think this should not be the case to be followed, Mr. President. That the whim of the majority or the whim of the numbers shall prevail. I don't think so. We
What
should
is it
follow the rule then, if that is the case. We have been discussing this with Senator Estrada. Senator Villanueva has tried to talk to me about it. What we're saying is that we could come up with a formula that will also jibe with the Supreme Court decision. Why all of a sudden coming up with something like this and then coming up with so percentages that an economist could not even understand?
Pumalag siya dyan kasi wala silang bilang. Alam ka naman iligay si Rizal Tiveros yan. Di ba? Emerisi, minority ka. Ganun talaga ang consequences dyan. 5 lang kayo laban sa 19. Anong panalo nyo dyan? Pagkaisahan talaga kayo. Ito, tuloy natin.
Mr. President, if I may.
Before recognizing the Honorable Zubiri, Chair would like to recognize first the Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, we put on record that we submit to the statements made by our minority leader should be based from the Supreme Court's decisions, Mr. President. May I quote, Mr. President, in Coseteng versus Mitra, the Supreme Court noted the House membership was based on 80-20 representation, almost the same, Mr. President, as what we mentioned earlier after rounding up the proportional representation of the LDP members comprising the majority during that time, Mr. President. Let me quote, Mr. President, the decision. The composition of the House membership in the Commission on Appointments was based on proportional representation of the political parties in the House. There are 160 members of the LDP in the House, and they represent 79% of the House membership. 80% of 12 members in the Commission on Appointments would equal 9.6 members, which may be rounded out to 10 from the LDP. Mr. President, noting, Mr. President, in the recent Congresses, membership in the CA has not been based on representation of political parties, but rather on proportional representation. And in this case, Mr. President, we computed, Mr. President, the members of the majority and the minority bloc in the Senate. Also, Mr. President,
saan ang gagaling yung sinasabi ni Tito Soto na nagbase sa miyembro ng political party? So, gawa-gawa. Talay po, Senator.
let me point out, in the same formula, the Supreme Court cited in its decision, Gingona versus Gonzales, the practice of rounding off that has not been consistently followed in the 15th and the 19th Congress. Mr. President, in the same Supreme Court decision, the SC explicitly mentioned it is also a fact accepted by all such parties that each of them is entitled to a fractional membership on the basis of the rule on proportional representation of each of the political parties or coalition, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, if the question is every senator would have a 0.5 fractional membership, the senator does not actually hold that 0.5 fractional membership, Mr. President. Ang may-ari po nito ay yung coalition. Ito pong sinasamahan niya na bloke. And that's why, Mr. President, if the question is whether or not a senator from the majority bloc, for instance, would give up his or her fractional membership to another party, it cannot be done, Mr. President, as the proportional allocation of seats belongs to, again, to the party, coalition, or bloc, and not the senators themselves. And the Supreme Court is very clear that a senator is not ipso facto entitled to a CAC. I submit, Mr. President, and lastly, Mr. President, again, may I be allowed to mention this, in the Gingona resolution issued by the Supreme Court, let me quote, respondents, however, accepted the fact that for the purpose of determining the proportional representatives of each political party to the Commission on Appointments, the basis thereof, Mr. President, the basis thereof is the actual number of members of each political party at the time of election of the members of the Commission on Appointments in the Senate. And that's why, Mr. President, even though this representation is moving for this particular motion, Mr. President, this representation would submit to the wisdom, collective wisdom of the members of this institution. I submit, Mr. President.
Minority Leader is recognized.
Thank you, Mr.
Ayan,
President.
sumagot si Soto dyan.
We were expecting at least some kind of cooperation or
Ito na.
acknowledgement of the members of the minority before the majority leader all of a sudden stands up. The members of the majority have been talking to us eh. Nakikipag-usap. Kanina lang, kinausap kami ng President Pro Tem. Ngayon, biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats. 10 members of the majority, all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well. Because we can make it harder for you
Oy!
if this is what you want.
Oh.
Kaya we were expecting, something better. May konting pakisamahan naman dito. It's been that way since before.
Wag na!
Pero kung ganyan ang gagawin natin,
Oy, mukhang nagbabanta pa dito si Soto, no? Wala na magpumilit, wag ka nang magpumilit dito, Soto. Minority ka nga eh. Yan yung consequences mo sa pagiging minority. Pangarap mo magiging Senate President, bulilyaso ka. Wala eh, talagang dudurugin ka dyan ng majority. Majority nga, kaya nga majority kasi silang masusunod. Hindi naman pwede ang masusunod ay minority. Majority talaga. Numbers game yan eh. Kung wala kang bilang, 5 lang kayo, manguyot na lang. Kahit ilaban mo pa yung kagustuhan mo, magboboto lahat ng mga senador. Ilan ba yung majority? 19. Ilan kayo? 5. Oh, wala na, dyan pa lang, bulilyaso na. Nakakahiya naman, palag ka pa ng palag, wala nga kayong bilang dyan. Kasi gano'n naman talaga sa Senado. Numero yan, paramihan ng kakampiyan. Kaya kung may mga panukala ka dyan, ikaw minority ka, walang umampi sa'yo. Bukya ka dyan. Walang may pasang batas dyan, walang pipero at susuporta sa'yo. Kaya tuloy natin, sagot ni Senator Villanueva.
Kasi the other members of the majority should
Tuloy.
know that lang to eh. It's a matter of party representation eh. And if we do that, if you do we follow the party representation, simple. 6 NPCs, 3 upo, they decide sino 3. 5 ang Nationalista Party, 2.5. So may bakanting 0.5. Yung PDP laban, 3. So 1.5. May isa at may bakanting 0.5.
Pinipilit niya talaga yan eh.
Pag mo yun, 6 or 5.
Oh.
6. And merong 1.5. And then there are 10 members who are either single members of the party or are independent. And in that case, 10 of them, 5 of them sits in the CA dapat. Yun ang dapat formula.
Sa'yo yan.
Ganun nga kasi dapat sana yung formula, Mr. President. Kung hindi naman, yung alternative formula, which is majority-minority, okay. Pero we were expecting, the simple respect to the members of the minority.
Wag na!
Nakakausap naman kami. Hindi kami salimpusa dito. We can make this easy for you.
Hindi kaming salimpusa dito. Salimpusa nga kayo. 5 lang kayo eh. Minsan iniiwanan ka pa nga eh. Di ba? Minsan si Zubiri, kung anong desisyon ng majority, doon din si Zubiri, di ba? Tapos si Ligarda, minsan napupunta din sa majority. So sino na lang natira talaga dyan sa limpusa na to? Si Soto. Si Lacson at saka si Unti Virus. Tatlo. Saling pusa. Minsan si Panpilo Lacson, hindi pa umuuyon sa kanya. Abstain pa. Kaya awards talo talaga si Soto dito. Tuloy, oh.
And we just make it also difficult for you.
Uy!
We leave it up to you, Mr. President. My objection stands. I don't think we should continue with the election until we have discussed this properly, Mr. President.
What
Mr.
does
President,
the
if I may,
leader
Mr.
say?
President.
Ayan na,
Thank
ayan na,
you,
ayan na.
Mr. President.
Ayan
Mr.
na.
President, God is my witness. And we have been talking to the members of the minority. The minority leader even mentioned that we were talking to him, Mr. President, and the members of the minority. Senator Mig Zubiri, Senator Lauren Legarda is also aware of this for quite some time before the lull, Mr. President, during the order of business. Our Senate President Pro Temp again reiterated our request and our intention to actually move for this motion because, Mr. President, under the Constitution, the CA shall be constituted within 30 days after the Senate and the HOR shall have been organized with the election of the Senate President and the Speaker of the House. The Senate was organized, Mr. President, July 28. Therefore, Mr. President, the Commission on Appointments must be constituted not later than August 27. And that's next week, Mr. President, and we still have to issue notices, etc. Now, Mr. President, on the statements, and I sincerely respect our former Senate President, Mig Zubiri. Mr. President, let me just point out, Mr. President, no one's robbing of anything because we're doing this on the basis of the Supreme Court decisions, Mr. President. Mr. President, and if I may again, Mr. President, it is submitted, if the tradition, Mr. President, the concern here now, Mr. President, is can tradition on informal agreements between senators be cited in determining how many members from the majority and the minority blocks will be represented in the CA. Mr. President, again, this representation submits that we stick to the established mathematical formula and the use of Supreme Court decisions.
Exactly.
As guidance, Mr. President. Kaya po nagbigay sila ng desisyon so that we can be guided accordingly in determining the proportional representation in the CA. In the SC resolution, again, Mr. President, on Gingona versus Gonzales, the court said, no practice or tradition established by a mere tolerance can, without judicial acquiescence, ripen into a doctrine of practical construction of the fundamental law.
Talo si
In the
Soto
same
dito.
decision, Mr. President, in the Gingona resolution, it also states, who decides the question of proportionality, Mr. President? Who decides? The power to choose who among them will sit as members of the Commission on Appointments belong to the Senate, Mr. President. And that's why, Mr. President, even this representation who made that motion will submit to the decision of every member of the Senate. And furthermore, Mr. President, in the Coseteng versus Mitra, the Supreme Court again pointed out the other political parties or groups, and I quote, other political parties or groups in the House, such as petitioners, kaiba, which is presumably the member also with the coalition majority. Ang sabi po ng Supreme Court, are bound by the majority's choices. Mr. President, last but not the least, as much as we wanted to entertain the idea of coin tossing, Mr. President, my sister won in the mayoralty election in Bukawi by coin toss, Mr. President. But we have no precedence on this matter, Mr. President. And again, let me submit for the record that the Supreme Court provided us guidelines with all due respect to our colleagues, especially in the minority. Thank you, Mr. President.
Bang! Talo si Soto dito eh. Kasi ang kay Senator Villanueva, God is my witness. Sabi ni Soto, salimpusa kami. Ito, tuloy lang natin kaunti mga kabisdako. Kasi nga, itong Commission on Appointee kasi, medyo mahalagang bagay rin po ito eh. Sa mga senador. Kasi, siyempre, yung mga ina-appoint ni Bongbong Marcos, eh, sila yung magsasala, no? Sila po yung titingin kung pwede pang magiging opisyal ng gobyerno or pwede bang hindi. At siyempre, medyo mataas ang tingin sa kanila, no, ng mga nasa gobyerno pag nasa commission on appointee po, ikaw nakasama. Kasi, siyempre, ikaw, senador, kumbaga, isa ka sa mga dahilan kung bakit na-appoint yung ina-appoint ni Bongbong Marcos, gabinete, sekretary, kumbaga magkakaroon sila ng utang na loob. Talagang ganun din, oh. Malaking bagay rin po yung ano na yan, commission na yan eh. Kahit kala nyo ay parang ganun-ganun lang yan kasimple, hindi. Parang magkakaroon ka ng utang na loob dyan. Pag ikaw in-appoint ni Bongbong, tapos ipinasa ka doon sa commission on appointee, malaki ang utang na loob mo. Pero kung galit naman sa'yo yung senador na nandiyan sa commission on appointee, hindi ka talaga ma-appoint. Kagaya si Erwin Tolpo na naging senador na rin ngayon, Yaward. So paano nagiging senador yan si Erwin, no? Tragis, si Erich. Di ba hindi siya na-appoint bilang isang DSWD secretary kasi questionably may mga kaso at yung kanyang citizenship hindi pinagbigyan. Ganun lang ho yun. Yung tungkulin ng mga senador na yan, malaking impact sa pagka-senador ho nila. Kasi sinasala ho ninyo yung mga ina-appoint ni Bongbong Marcos. Nga tuloy, Senator Villanueva.
The minority leaders
Yes,
recognize
thank you, Mr. President. The Gingona versus Gonzales issue should be the prevailing, not the Mitra or Cositec versus Mitra, as mentioned earlier by the majority.
May sariling mundo.
The interpretation
Di na rin siya.
of Article 6, Section 1, Section 18 is very clear. Basis of proportional representation from political parties and party organizations. Ang linaw nun eh. Walang sinasabi itong majority and minority.
Mr. President, if I may...
Alam niyo po kasi ganito, kahit ano pong pagbabasihan ni Tito Soto dyan, pangandakan niya, ipagpumilit niya yung kagustuhan niya, hanggang dyan ka lang. Wala nang mangyayari sa pagdadakdak mo. Magbardogalan kayo, grandstanding ka, meron kang galit, meron kang pananakot, or parang babanta ka, sige, bibigyan kayo namin ng Kung hindi nyo kami re-respetuhin, parang isip ninyo, saling pusa kami dito, papahirapan din namin kayo. Kahit hanggang ganun ka na lang, papahirapan mo, or magmatigas ka dyan, magre-rebat ka dyan, ang nangyayari, nagmistulang ipal ka lang dyan, no? Kasi yung kagustuhan mo na gusto mangyari dyan sa Senado, kagaya ngayon, commission on appointee, hindi talaga yan masusunod. Kasi majority pa rin ang susundin. Hindi naman po pwede na ang majority yuyuko sa minority, gagi na talaga, no? Wag nang ganon. Kasi nung 19th Congress, di ba? Lumuluhod yung majority kay Biros. Sana wag nang maulit dito sa 20th Congress. Anyway, nandiyan naman si Senador Marcolita, talagang titibagin itong si Hontiveros. Ang ilaban pa rin ho ninyo, yung desisyon ng karamihan. Hindi ho po pwede ang masusunod yung minority leader. Kaya nga mayroong majority leader, minority leader, bilang yan eh. So ikaw, malas mo hanggang grandstanding ka na lang talaga Soto. Kahit anong putak mo dyan, kahit anong iyak mo dyan, ilalaban din talaga ng majority. Hindi talaga yan magkasundo. Majority at minority diyan sa Senado. Kasi iba ho ang kagustuhan ng majority, iba rin ang kagustuhan ng minority. So pag buto-buto yan, numero pa rin ang pinag-uusapan. Unlike doon sa Kongreso kasi, yung majority doon at minority, isa lang utak. Kaya walang kwenta yung Kongreso sa Kamara. Ang majority, kakampi ni Romualdez. Ang minority, kakampi ni Romualdez. Kaya kung anong gusto ng majority, yun din ang gusto ng minority. Sunod-sunod lang sila doon eh. Kaya walang majority-minority doon sa Kongreso. Ito magandang laban sa Senado kasi at least paano may 5 sila. Lumalabang, ganun pa rin. Wala pa rin, hanggang dyan ka na lang. kontra ka na lang ng kontra. Oh. Ano ka, protesta ka na lang ng protesta, motion ka na lang ng motion, palag ka na lang ng palag. Okay rin naman kasi ginagampanan mo yung pagiging minority leader, pero ang bottom line dyan, manalo ka ba? May papanig ba sa kagustuhan mo na meron ka pang mga sinasabi, mga point-point dyan? Ang sagot, wala. Tuloy, oh.
May, I believe
The
the
majority
party,
leader,
the party organization is the minority and the majority. And I submit again, Mr. President, hindi po ako magmamagaling-galingan or sasabing eksperto dito. But nais ko, Mr. President, na isubmit itong aking posisyon
Correct.
sa body.
Manindigan
Mr. President,
ka.
at maging sa mga kasama natin dito sa bulwagang ito, Mr. President.
Mr. President,
Exactly, oh. Kasi ikaw, majority leader ka. Maninindigan ako. Ito yung position ko. Kahit anong gawin ng minority, ito, isusubmit ko sa inyo. Yung kagustuhan ko. Hindi ko pwedeng pagbigyan ang sinasabi ng minority. Ako yung leader, majority leader. Mas mataas ako kaysa minority. Minority lang ngayon. Minor kayo. Tuloy, oh.
hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung laman ng constitution ng parties, organizations sa meaning majority and minority. That is a very poor interpretation.
Oy!
Ang linaw eh.
Very poor daw.
The basis of proportional representation
Yabang
of
din,
political
oh.
parties or organizations registered under the party list system represented therein.
Hindi mayabang to.
Yung majority minority dito, Mr. President. So I think kung sa mga simple membership ng mga committee, kinukonsulta members ng minority, kinukonsulta bawat member sila. Bakit hindi sa napaka-importanting body like
Yan lang.
the Commission on Appointments?
Wala kasi kayong mga kwenta. Hindi na kayo kailangan konsultahin. Kasi ang Commission on Appointments, talagang majority dapat yan. Wala ng minority. Yabang, no? Very poor daw yung mga pinagbabasihan. Senator Joel Villanueva. Yabang ni si Soto, pumuputi ng buhok, wala namang nagawa dyan sa Senado. Nasa na yung sahod mo, ibigay mo na sa mga estudyante. Hoy, malamang sumahod na to eh. Piso yata, kahit piso wala.
But hindi makakonsulta. The President pro tem was talking to us about it just a few minutes ago.
No need na.
That's the point, Mr. President. Bakit ganito? But then again, that is my appeal. And if it doesn't work, then let's work.
Mr. President, I submit, Mr. President. I think we have been debating on this, Mr. President. And again, that is the position of this representation, and we submit it, Mr. President.
So if it doesn't work, so let's work. Animala. Alam mo, Soto, sayang laway mo dyan. No? Huwag kayo pa importante kasi hindi naman kayo importante talaga. Ang tawag talaga sa inyo dyan, hindi lang saling pusa, kundi pampagulo kayo. Nahirap man lumaban dyan sa akin, kung ako minority leader. Hanggang siguro sagot na ako konti. No? Tapos kung hindi ako pagbibigyan, alam ko naman na may bilang sila, stop na lang ako. Sayang lang laway ko dyan. Diba? Pagod lang ako, emotion. Nandun na tayo sa sinasabi, paglaban mo, prinsipyo mo. Pero common sense na lang din. Putsa, minority ka lang, hindi ka po pwedeng susundin ng majority. Kung ano yung sasabihin ng majority, putsang ina yan talaga ang mangyayari. Kaya majority wins. Kaya nga sinasabi natin yan eh. Hindi naman pwedeng minority wins. Paramihan po ng bilang. Tsaka sino ka ba para konsultahin ka ng majority? Siyempre ang majority leader doon magkukonsulta sa kanyang mga kasamahan ng majority. Hindi ako, bakit ako pupunta sa minority? Nandito ako nakabilang sa majority, dito ako magkonsulta. Hindi naman po pwede na magpapaalam ang majority sa mga gagawin nilang hakbang sa minority. Kasi kung ipapaalam mo sa kanila ang gagawin mo, parang sinabi mo lang sa kalaban mo na, dito kami, targetin nyo kami. O itong gagawin namin, di nabibigyan mo sila ng impormasyon, which is hindi yan pwedeng gawin. Diyan ka na lang kayo sa plenaryo magdebate. Pero wag mong aasahan pa na may kakampi sa'yo dahil ang majority nagkasundo na. Kayong minority, bahala kayo kung susunod or hindi. Basta manalo pa rin ang majority. Good luck na lang sa'yo, Tito Soto. Kung ako sa'yo, manguyot ka na lang. Tigil mo na yan, ay. Masamang bisyo yan. Yung sahod mo na lang, ibigay mo na lang sa sa mga estudyante, gaya ng ipinangako mo noong nakarang eleksyon na hindi ka tatanggap ng sahod. Putsa, budol din to. Mana to kay Dayunyor eh. So anyway, see you po mamaya mga kabisdak. Alas 8:40 or alas 9, panoorin po natin ang ating premiere. Live po tayo sa live chat mamaya. Mabuhay po tayo mga Pilipino. Bisdak Pilipinas. God first. Maraming salamat po.